Hope everyone's having a great week. Just a quick market update for you. We'll talk about kind of some economic stuff and how that relates to what the Fed is anticipating to do, along with how that ties into mortgage rates. So the BLS jobs report came out last Friday and indicated that there were 372,000 jobs created in the month of June. What we were anticipating in the market was about 250,000 jobs created. So this is showing a much stronger economic outcome than we were anticipating. Now, what does that mean for the Fed moving forward? Now, the Fed's main priority right now is taming inflation. And when they see these strong economic numbers in showing a stronger economy, that gives them the ability to increase rates at a much more rapid pace. Now, when we're talking about rates, we're talking about the federal funds rate. So when the Fed gets this information, what we're anticipating to happen is them to raise by 0.75% in the month of July. Now, with that comes the ability to tame inflation. As interest rates go up, people spend less money, and that allows us the ability to kind of get inflation under control. Now, when inflation starts to come back down, that's when we're going to see mortgage rates come down. What we're seeing in the media right now is that there's tons of news saying that rates dropped a ton, and that may have been the case last week, earlier last week, but towards the end of the week, we saw some of those gains get lost. So the news is always a little bit delayed in what they're kind of relaying information-wise. So it's always best to check with a mortgage lender in regards to what's happening on a daily basis to rates. Because we're on such a big roller coaster right now, it's hard to predict where we're going to be until inflation starts to come back down. Now, what the experts are predicting is that towards the end of this year, inflation should start to come back down, and that's when we'll see mortgage rates come down. So that's generally from a high level overview what we're expecting in the mortgage market. If you have any questions in regards to economic news at all, or anything mortgage related, please feel free to give us a shout. Thanks, everybody. Have a good rest of your week.